Almost ready to go then at Old Trafford. Mason Greenwood starting on home territory for the third time. He scored on the other two occasions this season. On match day 1 against Astana, it was his first United goal and the only goal of the match on that occasion. And he also scored in the EFL Cup as well, and he gets another opportunity.
Starting pace, there's a chance here potentially. Mason Greenwood sweeps it home. The 18-year-old does it again for Manchester United. He scored his first goal for the club in the home match against Astana. And he scores at Old Trafford once more to break the deadlock. Greenwood's first chance of the evening, and he puts it away, but just look at this, he's lifted away by interception, lovely close control from Martial, it's superb, brilliant individual goal from Anthony Martial. Manchester United 2, Partizan 0. Well, when he received the ball, he had plenty to do. It was Mason Greenwood who got the deflection. It fell fortuitously, but there was work to do.
Lovely little games to spare for United as he sends the ball wide. It's collected by Ashley Young. What a goal! Superb strike from Marcus Rashford. That sums up much of what we've seen from Manchester United this evening. And after several attempts with no joy, Marcus Rashford finally finds the back of the net, and he does so in some style. The way